how to make chromatic aberration effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and select the project that you want to make the effect on. So I've selected a project over here. Now in order to add the effect, select the area where you want to add that effect. So after selecting the area, tap on the effect option at the bottom of the screen over here. After tapping on that, go to video effects and on the search bar you can just search for chromatic aberration. So here, as you can see, there's no option of chromatic aberration effect, but we have the option of chromatic quick. So we're gonna add on that option over here, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.